Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Everyday Waffles. It's currently 5:30 in the morning, but I had a request for an apple waffle, so I thought, let me wake up at 5:30. They don't wake up until 6. It'll be perfect. The only problem is, haha, they live in Colorado. I'm in Seattle, so kind of like cock blocked by the time zone. So, chunky avocado, when you come over for coffee this morning, you get apple waffles. Anyway, let's get going. I got some music on, just being quiet. That's why I was standing right there anyway. So I'm just gonna be doing the basic. Flour, sugar, a little baking powder, some cinnamon, pinch of salt. I'm gonna be using a half cup of canned applesauce, half cup milk, egg, 2 tablespoons of butter, and some apple. I'm just gonna be doing like a very simple recipe. Like this is it's 5:30 in the morning. Let's just do it nice and simple. It's waffles. Hope everybody had a good night's rest. I am still awake. I got some nice music keeping me going. See, me playing music at night. Notice the speakers right here. Right. I don't wake everybody up from my shit. Okay, alright, let's go. So I'm gonna do the 1 cup of flour. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of sugar. One unicorn down. Hot fucking hilarious. Alright, so I'm gonna do a teaspoon of baking powder. Alright. I got an egg for in just a minute. Get this flour out of here. Okay, so now I'm gonna put in a half teaspoon of cinnamon. Like I say, this is gonna be really a basic recipe. A little bit of salt. Okay, so I am going to just bring together my dry ingredients. And yeah, I'm totally doing this old school. I pulled out the cell phone. So it feels kind of nice. Just the middle of the night cell phone this time, not the fancy little new system. Alright. So now I'm gonna do my wets. So I'm gonna do some music and rocking. Okay, so I'm gonna do 1/2 cup of milk. And then I'm doing 1/2 cup of canned applesauce. Set that up to rinse. Whoa, big stretch. And then I'm gonna be doing 1 egg. I'm just gonna kind of scramble it in the bowl. I'm just scrambling it just right here in the middle of the bowl. All right, then I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of butter. This all nice and stirred up. All right, now I'm gonna put in just over a 1/2 cup of chopped apples. And check this beautiful bad boy out. Like I say, we're just doing a real simple recipe. Get some more butter out of the fridge. If it'll come out of the fucking package. I love this song. I don't know if you guys can hear this or not. All right, it's green. So our waffle iron's all heated up. So let's get going. Oh, that's gonna be amazing. Yeah, when there came a text that said, Andy wants apples, and I was like, oh, I just happened to have a fuck nut load of apples. So I got a new cabinet. But I gotta be able to keep everything I juice with. So this way I get to have like big ass baskets, so I just like power through all the stuff for my juicing, and it looks very nice. The joy of eating waffles, simplistic juicing, and oh, so more on the story of my friend who's doing the same diet. Uh, things have been going really good for him. So it's nice. It goes good for me, and it's also going great for another person who went through a gastric surgery, checked with their own physician and their own nutritionist, and yeah, it's kind of cool. It's working out for them. Grab us a plate. I'm a winker. These huge ass glasses like, keep on falling down. I think my head shrunk. Yeah, stress level goes way down, head shrinks. I actually see how this works. But definitely stress levels are way down. But hell, isn't that just a conscious choice anyway? That's a nice morning beat, isn't it? God, it smells so good. Ah, let me get the second part of this going. Shay. Look at me neglecting my duties. We are making waffles here. It's not a dance show. Well, maybe it can be both a dance show and a waffle show. Yeah, I like that. It's a dance show and a waffle show. There we go. Oh, green light. The smell is just amazing. Oh, so airy, so beautiful. Let's get the other one going real quick. You'll notice that this will make 2 waffles. None for Andy, but made for Andy. Oh, sorry, boo. Once again, I'm just saying, cock blocked by the time zones. I can mail it to you. All right, fingernails work. So what I'm putting on top of this is just gonna be sweeten the hell out of this thing. So I'm using a sugar-free low-cal syrup. And powdered sugar. I guess take the sugar out one way, put it in another. I guess I don't know. There you go, Andy. Enjoy the. I'm sorry you can't eat this, but it smells so damn great. Apple waffle. Good morning.